Means we can use list, tuple and set to represent of group of individual objects as single entity. Okay, but if we want to represent a group of objects as a key value pairs, then we should go for dictionary. Means list and tuples and set triples are same because a group of individual objects are single entities. And if you want to represent a group of objects key value pairs, so go for should dictionary. Okay. So example roll number is key and value is name. Phone number is key, address is phone is key, number is value, and address is a key and value is a your address. IP address, this is domain name. This is a key and value. Okay. So duplicates duplicate key duplicate keys are not allowed, but values can be duplicated. Heterogeneous objects are allowed for both keys and values. Okay. Insertion order is not preserved. Okay. Dictionaries are mutable, dictionaries are dynamic, and indexing and slicing concept are not applicable. Indexing and slicing concept are not applicable. Both. Which one? Which one? This is a dictionary, and second one is a set. So set and dictionary do not accept indexing and slicing concept are not applicable. Okay. Note: in C, C++, and Java, dictionaries are known as map, where as in Perl and Ruby it is known as hash. Okay. Dictionaries are declared on map, and dictionary are declared other language Perl and Ruby, so known as hash. What is a hash? Hash is a dictionary calling for Perl and Ruby's. Map is dictionary for only C and Java's. Okay. How to create a dictionary? How to create? So both two types of create of dictionaries. Yeah. Yeah. So first one is define empty dictionary. How to check? To type of print, type of value D. Okay. So check it. Why is error? Okay. Print.
Sir, print spelling.
Yeah, yeah, print. Yeah. So class is dict. Okay. What type is dict type? And this is declared to dict and declared to dict function. So dict function is parenthesis, calling the parenthesis, and only dictionary is called calibresis. Okay, define two types. Print of type of D. Both are same. Okay. So there are two types of define their dictionaries. First in one, define is dictionary syntax, and define second is dict functions. Okay. We are
Okay, sir.
creating we are creating empty dictionary. We can add entire as follow. If I say create empty dictionary, okay. If I say create empty dictionary, but how to insert the new value? So d of 100 Shivam, and d second is a d 200. This is key, and this is a value. Key and value, key and value, and print of d. So result is 100 Shivam, 200 Ravi, and 300 Shiva. And if I say same 300 key and different value, Shiv. Okay, this is Shiva, this is Shiv. So replace Shiva. New value is Shiva. Shiv. To replace Shiva. That means 100 Shivam, 200 Ravi, 300 is Shiv. So replace the value if condition if key are same. So replace the value is last conditions and apply the replace the value. Okay. Yeah. So this is if we know data in advance, then we can create dictionary as a follows. This is value, key and values pair. Okay. How to access data from the dictionary? How to access particular data from the dictionary? So we can access data by using keys, not using index and not using slicing, only using keys. Okay. Key is this 100, this 200, 300. This is a key. And this is value Shiva, Ravi, and Durga. So how to call? If I say print d of 100. Okay. So output is Shivam. 100 is Shivam. Okay. But I say call 300. So which one? This is Shiv, because keys, duplicate keys are not allowed. If you want to apply duplicate key, so replace the first value, the second value. If the specified key is not available in, if the specified keys is not available, then we will get any key error. Print D 400. So error is key error 400. Okay. We can prevent this by checking whether key is already available or not by using hash key functions or by using in operator. Okay. In operator means if I say use in operator. So how to use in operator? Print print 300 in D. So true and false result is true because 300 is define in D. Okay. D, hash key for 100, return 1 if key is available, otherwise return 0. How to check hash key? So okay, hash key 400 created, not created, so result is 0. Okay, hash key, dict object has no attribute hash key. Yeah, 400 is not attribute. Okay, so error. And if I say define 100, what is this error? Because I am not using print function. Print the value. Okay. Okay. Trackball recently pioneering module d dot hash key 100 attribute error. Dict object is not attribute hash key. Okay. Why? Okay. Yeah. Error this d hash key return 1 if key is available, otherwise 0. But hash key function is available only in Python 2 but not in Python 3. Hence compulsory we have to use in operator. Hash key is not defined Python 3. Hash key only defined Python 2. So this is error occupy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Questions. Write a program to enter name and percentage marks in a dictionary and in a dictionary and display information on the screen. Mm, okay. Mila. Yes. Okay. Yeah. So first question is write a program to enter name and percentage. Okay. Percentage marks in a dictionary and display information on the screen. Yeah. So how to check? Create empty dictionary. Yeah. Mm, yeah. Yeah. I have recently done topic. Okay. This is dictionary. Only this dictionary data type structure. Dictionary data structure is we can use list, tuple, and set to represent a group of individual objects, a single entity. Means list, tuple, and set represent a group of individual objects as a single entity. Means list, tuple, and set triples are sequences heterogeneous. 1 to 3 represent 1 to 3 and single individuals 1 to 3 uh, float values 4.5 and true and string as well as a single entities. But if you want to represent group of object as a key and value pair, so go shoot for dictionary. So means dictionaries. So create a dictionary and key and values. Key and values. So define the 100 is key, Durga is value. 200 is key, Ravi is value. 300 is key, Shiva is a value. Okay. So define, how to create, and how to access from the dictionary. from how to access data from the dictionary. We can access data by using key, because we don't have use indexing and slice. Two data types and two data structures, set and dictionary. Two data structure are not provide slicing and indexing. Okay, this is a not providing slicing and indexing. We can access data by using only keys. So key is this and Durga. So define print of D 300. 300 is key. So value is Shiva. Okay. If they specify not agar if the specified key is not available, then we will get error. Print D 400 key error because 400 is not defined. Okay. D dot hash key. We can prevent this by checking whether key is already available or not by using hash key function or by using in operator. You know in operator? In operator is a membership operator to check whether the given object present in the your strings are not. So in operators are checking. both syntax are checking hash key and in operator. But hash key define only Python 2 but not Python 3. And in operator define a Python 3 as a membership operator. So check it if 400 in D, D, D is a your key, D is a your data, and in 400, if I say 400 inside string available or not available, this is dictionary are available, not available. Available, so print 4, not available, this is error. So this is quick review. And this is question, first question is write a program to enter name and percentage marks in a dictionary and display information on the screen. So enter number of student 3. Okay. Enter student name Durga. Enter percent of marks 60%. Enter student name Ravi. Enter student mark 70. Enter student name Shiva. And our the results. This is this result. Yeah. So 4. Yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. First is enter number of students. Okay. How many students to check the results? If I say 2 students, enter name Karan. Enter percent of marks of students 60. Enter student name. Second is Kiran. Enter percent of marks of student 70. And the click. So name of students of Karan and Kiran. Percent of marks of 60 and 70. That is key and this is value. That is key and this is value. And this is your okay. We will check the code. First is create an empty dictionary. REC. This is a variable to assign a empty dictionary. Okay. First, n int input enter number of students. Okay, how many students? 2. This is 2 students. I equal to 0. Why? I less than equal to n. I means 1. Less than equal to n. N means 2. 2 less than 1 less than equal to 2, yeah, condition is true. So inner the loop, name input, enter student name, yeah, student name and student marks, and REC, dictionary, name and marks. So both are, this is name, add new key value pair. How to add in dictionary? REC this, and name is key and marks is a value. This is same uh, for this. This is D, this is dictionary, empty dictionary, this is D, and this is a key and this is a value. So this is same. REC, this is a empty dictionary, name, name is a key and marks is a value. Okay. So enter the first number. Okay, enter this. This is output. This is first of. Enter name and students. Enter second name, because in loop I equal to I plus 1, I equal to 1, and I equal to I plus 1. So I is already one value. 1 equal to 1 plus 1. I equal to 1 plus 1. So I equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So 2 is assigned 2. 2 less than equal to 2. Yeah, correct. Less than is wrong, but equal to. So 2 equal to 2. True. Inner loop. The name and students. This is second students. Enter second student, name and percentage. This is second student. If I say 3, 1 plus 1, I is already defined 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 is this here. 3 less than equal to 2. No. Less than no, equal to no. So loop is a terminate and print the student of name and student of marks for x in REC, and inner the loop.
सर स्क्रीन बंद हो गया है.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. So understand, don't understand? Do not understand this code? Neela, understand? Tayas? Yeah, once more repeat. Each time.
Yeah, sir, do it one more because before this PyCharm display is not visible.
Okay, Python is not visible. Okay. Okay. REC, this is an empty dictionary. Create empty dictionary. Okay. N int input enter number of students. How many students to enter n? So if I say enter students of enter number of students, if I say 2, okay. So n is 2. I equal to 1, and while is loop. So I less than equal to n. So I is 1 and less than equal to n is 2. So define is 2. Okay. Check it. 1 less than equal to 2. True or false? Anyone? True or false? N less than equal to 2. True or false?
True,
True,
sir.
sir.
True. Okay. True. This is a inner in the inside the loop. Okay. Name input enter student. So enter student's name. Karan. Okay. Marks input enter of percent of marks. Enter percent of marks student. 60. Okay. If you correct, so add the dictionary REC name of marks. REC means this, and name is key, and this marks is value. So how to add the key and value in dictionary? So REC this dictionary name is key, and marks is value. Okay. So enter the first value. and I equal to I plus 1. I is already 1 now. I is already 1. 1 plus 1 because I is already 1. So I equal to I plus 1. So I plus 1 equal to अब I equal to 2. Got it ना? 2 हो गए. So 2 is वापस loop check. So 2. This is value of I value 1 से 2. Okay. 2 less than equal to 2. True and false?
True, sir.
True. Got it? So true is inside the loop. Name. Again फिर name. Enter the student name Kiran and enter percent of marks of student 70. Okay. So फिर add the this REC. This is empty dictionary and name is key and this is value. Okay. This is enter the 70%. Okay. If say फिर I value is again I plus I की value already is 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So 3. 3 again checking the loop. So 3. So what is the condition? 3 less than equal to 2. Condition true and false?
False, sir.
False. Okay. So this is false condition. This is a loop break and terminate the loop. Okay. Terminate the loop and print name of student of T and percent of marks and X to check X REC to check the one by one value are present and not present. So REC, this is old data. Define old data. REC Karan 60, Kiran 70 to define in REC and one by one access is X and print the T percent of T. So how to use percent of T? This is spaces. This is spaces to X is Kiran and REC of X percentage. This is your output. Clear or not clear?
Clear, sir.
Got it, sir.
Neela, got it? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's move. How to update dictionaries? How to update? Because dictionary is a mutable na. So how to update? So D, this is dictionary key and this is value. If key is not available, then a new entry will be added to the dictionary with the specified key value pair. If the key is already available, then old value will be replaced with new value. Okay. So yeah, 100 Durga, 200 Ravi, 300 Shiva. Print of D. So this is a your first value. Only this is print this value and add the new value. So D 400. So you have do not na 400. So this is add a 400. Add 400 and print of D 100 is Sunny, but 100 is Durga na. So replace the Sunny. 100 is Sunny. This is a old and this is a new. This is an old dictionary and this is a new dictionary. Okay, replace the value if say already defined as a key, and if you want to assign a duplicate key, to replace the value. Okay, how to delete elements from the dictionary. How to delete? If I say delete one, if I say delete one, if I say delete if one, if I delete if one. So how to delete elements from the dictionary? So del is command, d of key. Okay, it delete entry associated with the specified key. If the key is not available, then we will get key error. Del, this is a functions of in a dictionary. Del is functions. Okay, to delete your data, delete your key. Okay, so print d. This is a your same dictionary. If I say del 100, so 100 is remove Durga. So 200, 300 because 100 Durga is removed. Okay, but del 400, 400 is defined, not defined. So 400 track back most recent call del d 400 key error because 400 is not defined. Okay, how to delete, how to add, got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir, got it.
yeah. Okay, next, important functions of dictionary. Okay, important functions of dictionary. So first function is dict function. You know already tuple functions, list functions, set function. This is already defined dict function. To create a dictionary, if I say d equal to dict, it create empty dictionary. Okay. If say d equal to dict of functions, is create dictionary with specified elements. Okay. If I say calling this print d. So 100 is Durga, 200 is Ravi. Both are same. If I say create d1 equal to this value, both are same because why both are same? This is a dict function to inside. Dict function is parenthesis. Inside a create dictionary. So call already dictionary. If you define without, so define already you. So d1, both are same, no difference. But this is a dict function and this is a dictionary. Okay. Second is length function. Return the number of items in this dictionary. How to check how many elements in this dictionary? So use dictionary function. Print length of d1. Yeah, 2 because 1 and 2. Okay. Yeah, check it. How to check it? Len function. Clear function to remove all elements from the dictionary. CL okay. B1 by use clear function to remove all elements from the dictionary. Okay, can you please reconnect again because less than 1 minute of remaining time. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.